guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are in Jaipur right now and that's Akanksha and it's her birthday today. Happy birthday baby. And we are at Rajasthali Resort. We are here staying for 2 nights and we are super excited. This is the entrance and now we're going inside and I'm gonna show, we're going by this buggy and I'm super excited to show you guys around. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Hi guys, so we are heading towards our room and it's a suite room and it's a very beautiful room. That's what they have told us and we are very excited. And Kavita, hi! Hello! Amish, hi!
Hi.
How excited are you guys?
We are super excited.
एंड वेरी सून उसके बाद हम लोग मेरा बर्थडे केक कट करेंगे.
Yes, so we are excited. We are excited about Akanksha's birthday. He's acting like child today.
न्यूली बॉर्न.
Newly born. Hi guys, so finally I am at Rajasthali and it's a princess suite room. Hi princess! This is a princess suite because Akanksha is a princess.
And this is they have done this decoration for me.
Look at this decor. Wow. And it's a 2 BHK suite. And look at the bathroom. That's me. Hi. It's beautiful. Hi beautiful baby. Hi birthday girl. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very royal.
Royal? Like a princess? Look at the room. This is the first room. And this is the mirror. Hi. And then, hi Amish.
Oh, hi, sorry.
Hi. And then, this is the second room. This is also another princessy royal room. And it's a beautiful setup. I'm loving every bit of it. There is another washroom here. Hi guys, so I'm having garam pani and this is how Akanksha's birthday is going on. And this is also Kavita's Sangeet practice going on. Hi Kavita, आपका रिहर्सल कैसा लग रहा है?
Please
आपका
join my
रिहर्सल कैसे लग रहा है?
please join my संगीत performance
कविता
whatever.
की संगीत परफॉर्मेंस. कविता की संगीत परफॉर्मेंस. Yeah.
अरे मेरे आंखों में लाइटें आ रही है.
Look at my pretty baby.
मेरा बर्थडे है बट हम कविता का संगीत बना रहे हैं. कुछ अजीब सा काम कर रहे हैं बट मजा आ रहा है. कुछ भी करना है.
Hi guys, so it's day 2 and we are here at Rajasthali Resort and we just planned instant photo shoot for my Instagram and I have my friend who's a beautiful makeup artist, Janvi. So what are we doing today
So
on my face?
according to your costumes and everything, I think we'll go with a colored eye
Okay.
and a dewy base
Okay.
because like it's rainy season and I think outside मतलब dewy look और pastel eyes साथ में बहुत सही लगेगा. So we'll go with that colored liners.
So yeah, I'm excited for the colored eyeliner look and let's see. And I'm going to show you once it's done. So stay tuned. Bye bye. This is my hardworking baby. खुद के बर्थडे की प्रेप खुद ही कर रही है. Wow. Hi Akshay. So he is my amazing photographer. He's shooting us today. Maybe please show your face, show your pretty face.
So I am preparing my setup for my post. So
And-
you can see that content coming on Instagram. You can
Yes.
always follow me and my friend Ruby. Ruby को तो कर ही लोगे. अरे यार क्या
मेरी इतनी हार्ड वर्किंग टीम है, मैं क्या बताऊँ. Hi Amish.
55,000 तो वही ले लेगा, ठीक है।
मेरी हार्ड वर्किंग टीम।
हाँ।
हाय गाइस, तो हम जा रहे हैं इसी प्रॉपर्टी में किसी और लोकेशन पे शूट करने। हाय बेबी, हाय जानवी, हाय अमीश,
हाय।
हाय अक्षय, हाय हाय हाय,
So many highs.
so many highs. This property is so pretty. Oh, there's a peacock over there. Hi guys, so this is my second look for the shoot, and I'm here at this location, and look at the property. So pretty. And there's a palace kind of feel over there. It's very beautiful. I'm loving it. ओके गाइस, हम हमारा फोटोशूट कर रहे हैं और मैं बेबी के लिए स्टाइलिश बन गई हूँ। 1 2 3। Hi guys, so it's jacuzzi time with my baby. कितना pretty लग रहा है। Look at the decor. अब हम जा रहे हैं इस पानी में। मैं पानी पानी हो गई।
I can feel that. चलो मैं जाऊँ। मेरी रीलें बनाना।
Okay.
Just kidding. वैसे बना भी सकते हैं।
Hi guys, so finally it's a pool time. Are you guys enjoying? This property is so beautiful.
Beautiful, so peaceful, and we just needed this break. It was a long weekend.
Yes.
Huge.
So happy to be here.
Exactly.
The
These
pool
people
is
are
huge.
great. Their hosting, their service is so good.
Yeah.
The pool is huge, awesome. Why don't you come inside? Come inside.
I'll come.
Yeah.
I'm operating my phone, so I can't right now.
She will complete her vlog and then she will join. So that the phone doesn't get.
Okay guys, bye. Let us enjoy.
Come,
Bye.
come, come.
I have become a star. Oh, I like cube. Maybe cube. Yeah. Sometimes I'll do that.
She's gone.
मैं पे चढ़ रही हूँ, चढ़ो उठो। एक किलो
ये कैसे चला रहा है? What is this nonsense?
पागल हो गए सारे। कविता क्या हुआ?
हाँ, kids pool है वो.
कविता हमारे लिए लेकर आने वाली थी ट्यूब, बट वो बच्चों के थे। I like you, कविता। The probably way you are doing this।
क्या करूँ, वो नहीं कर सकती ना बाली में.
बस
बहुत गंदी ब्लॉग है. ज़्यादा वाहियात ब्लॉग नहीं कर सकते.
Bye. Stop that paparazzi thing. Stop. Cut.
आज आई हैं महान हस्ती, सोशल वर्कर, समाज सेवी श्री श्रीमती आकांक्षा देवी जी। दिल्ली से आई है आकांक्षा देवी जी। गरीब बच्चों का ख्याल रखना, बेटियों का ख्याल रखना, शौर्य समाज करते एकजुटता लेकर। साथ में एक किताब आकांक्षा जी ने लिखी है देश के हित के निर्माण में। बहुत अच्छा लगा आकांक्षा जी आवाज, बहुत अच्छा लगा आकांक्षा जी आवाज। और ये गरीब बच्चों का बनाया हुआ वेस्ट मटेरियल से एक जग मिल जाएगा।
Wow, baby, I'm so proud of you. Hi guys, so it's day 3 and I'm at Rajasthani Resort, as you all know, and it's just a me time that I'm spending right now. My friends are in the room, so I just thought that I should give you guys a property tour. And yeah, so let's just start. Okay guys, so this is the tent area. There are luxury cottages here, luxury tents that you can stay in, and they're very, very beautiful. So you all can see this. And now we are heading towards the another location of the property. It's a very, very beautiful property. As you all can see the view from here. This is the entrance. That side is the pool area, and this is the palace area. There's a beautiful palace out here, and then this is a beautiful huge garden out here. Okay guys, so I want to show you the garden over there firstly, and beautiful, beautiful garden. It's not a garden, but it's a nature kind of a place with a beautiful view. It's so pretty out here and so peaceful. You can see the view. I'm just loving this place. And behind this is a huge palace, and over there are rooms to stay and also a restaurant over there, and it's a lovely, lovely place. I'm just loving it. Okay guys, so now I'm at the pool area. I'm gonna show you how beautiful the pool is. Look at the pool. It's so huge and beautiful, and the view near the pool is also amazing. It's just a beautiful, beautiful place. You can chill here with your friends and have a lovely time. So guys, now I'm going to show you the restaurant out here. Namaste. So this is the restaurant, and it has a very royal feel. You can see the sitting area, and it's a very beautiful restaurant. That's me, and you can see see the restaurant. Look at the detailing. This is the bar area. It's beautiful. So guys, I am here at the upper section of the palace and look at the view from here. It's so pretty. And this is the dome area. It's looking quite nice. And look at the view from the top. It looks so beautiful. I'm just loving it. I'm feeling like a princess and they're treating us very amazingly. I'm feeling so royal and quite nice. I'm so happy to be here. Baby.
This is our patent.
Yes, it's
मतलब
a
हमने करवा लेना चाहिए अब तो जैसे ही मैं ध्रुवी को भी देखती हूँ मैं कैमरा देखती हूँ यूजुअली इट हैपेंस लाइक
Yes, automatically होता है.
victory and it's
Peace. Hi Amish. Hi. Bye.
bye
ये हमारा स्वागत करने के लिए यहाँ पर खड़े हैं हमारे बॉय.
बॉय वो हट गया बॉय के नाम से हट गया
बॉय के नाम से.
वो कह रहा है ये गलत काम
I am prince of this area.
Yes, he is the prince and we are the princess.
Yeah, so. Oh, sorry. Prince. Yeah. Yeah. Carry on, guys. Carry on.
Okay.
कैमरा लाओ फटाफट बनाते हैं
यहाँ हम बेबी की रील बना रहे हैं and he is the videographer.
तभी तो मैंने बोला आपको फोन करेगा वो जहाँ पर वो ले आएगा.
अगर आप हम एक काम करते हैं
कितना डिस्कशन कर रहे हो यार. काम कर लो यार. निकलना
Actually, we
है.
are ordering.
cold coffee
अच्छा,
and
coffee and
watermelon
Okay,
juice.
okay for me. Okay, fine. Okay, that's my favorite. So princess के लिए आ रहा
Baby
है.
concept. Do they know the premium baby concept? One
No,
of your-
she is my premium baby.
Yeah, I am her premium baby. So one of her friends says कि baby बहुत होती है, but एक premium
Premium
baby
baby होती है. तो ये मेरी premium baby है.
She's premium, ultra
You can see
premium,
I am dressed like premium man.
premium,
Yes.
ultra premium. That's first prince. Yeah, first prince.
Thank God Kingfisher वगैरह कुछ नहीं बोला इसलिए.
Yeah, पागल है. Okay guys, bye. Guys, so this is our last evening here at this property and we're just walking around and clicking some pictures. Hi baby. This is so pretty. And weather is also amazing. Yes, you can see the property from here. It looks so beautiful. And the view is also amazing. I'm loving it. And I don't want to go back, but we have to. So yeah. Okay guys, bye.